Hi and welcome to OANDA's new proprietary MT4 open order indicator, which offers our retail clients the same comprehensive view of client orders and positions, typically reserved for professional FX brokers. In this video, we'll show you how you can use the indicator to identify reversals and trade against the crowd by gauging retail sentiment. Before we start, please make sure you've installed the indicator. If you have not done this, simply visit OANDAMT4.com to learn more. This video features the standard edition of OANDA's MT4 Open Order Indicator. It allows you to view the distribution of buy orders and sell orders placed by OANDA traders on an MT4 chart for specific currency pairs. It also allows you to view the distribution of buy and sell positions placed by OANDA live accounts for specific currency pairs. All of these may provide insight into market sentiment. The Premium Edition indicator allows you to view the same data as the standard indicator, but is refreshed every 5 minutes instead of 20 minutes on the standard edition. The indicator currently supports 14 currency pairs as of June 2018. You can check this link for the latest supported currency pairs. Retail sentiment is a powerful contrarian indicator because many retail traders try to pick winners by focusing on selecting tops and bottoms rather than riding trends. This practice can work as long as prices remain within a certain range. But as soon as the range breaks, retail traders end up selling into rising prices or buying into drops. As such, smart traders can use retail sentiment to place their trades against the crowd, many of who are likely holding on to losing positions. OANDA's MT4 Open Order Indicator can easily be used to add a competitive advantage to any trading strategy because it helps traders quickly understand current market sentiment and enables them to trade against the retail crowd. This can be achieved by following these two simple steps. Use market sentiment as a contrarian indicator to ascertain when a trend is stable or likely to reverse. Broadly speaking, a trend is overextended when retail sentiment is more than 70% in one direction. Use support and resistance levels to determine the best place to enter or exit the markets by displaying net open orders on the indicator. In the top left-hand corner of the chart, OANDA's MT4 Open Order Indicator displays the percentage of traders who are long versus short. In our example, retail sentiment is currently long on Dollar Canada because 62% of traders are long and 38% of traders are short. This information is significant because it reveals current retail sentiment is already long and it's possible the trend will continue. In this case, traders should avoid placing new buy orders and look for sell opportunities instead. When sentiment leans more than 70% long or short, as in this case with silver, where longs are already at 80% and shorts are at 20%, it acts as a sign that the market may be overextended and ready to reverse. This acts as a strong contrarian indicator, suggesting the odds are stacked against the continuation of the current trend. This is rare, and the trend may soon turn around. If market sentiment leans less than 70% long or short in one direction, then it's likely the trend will continue on its current path, which means traders can decide to follow the trend with a greater degree of reliability. In the Dollar Canada example, if the price rises towards the large sell orders, it will likely drop back with the trend. Vice versa, if price drops towards the buy orders, the bounces might prove to be short-lived. These occasions highlight an opportunity where trades can be placed because the volume of orders at these levels will support the current trend. In addition, traders can also consider placing stops just behind the order clusters, depending on their strategy, because the orders provide a degree of protection. When used correctly, retail sentiment can be a stronger indicator of future price direction than either pure fundamental or technical analysis, because when it comes to trading, many decisions are based on emotion and positioning rather than a precise understanding of economic data. Conversely, if a trader uses solely technical information, they can miss major support and resistance levels that are not immediately apparent on the chart, that can be easily identified when open orders are plotted. Available exclusively to OANDA clients, the proprietary MT4 Open Order Indicator reveals critical information never before available to the retail trader. By presenting an overview of current buy and sell orders placed by OANDA traders directly on your MT4 charts, the indicator enables traders to capture market sentiment, identify the path of least resistance, and trade against the crowd, providing you with a competitive edge. If you would like to learn more about OANDA's MT4 Open Order Indicator and how it could benefit your trading strategy, please visit oandamt4.com.